What's up, you guys? Good morning. It is Christmas morning and I got two packages here to unbox and show you exactly what we got. This one I purchased myself and this one was sent to me by the team over at CARZILLA. So huge shout out to them. Everything that I unbox and show you here will be listed and linked in the description below, so you can check that out, as well as use this discount code CARDetailing5 to save yourself 5% off at carzilla.ca. Now let's get into the unboxing and show you exactly what I got. All right, so we're gonna start with the bottom box. I'll put this one to the side for now. And again, reminder, this is the box that I purchased myself, so I'm gonna get it opened up and then we'll take a look to see what we got. As per usual procedure, CARZILLA always takes a lot of care when they package up their materials. It always comes with a lot of this stuff. Side note, you know what this stuff is really good for? If you have dress shoes or other leather shoes, you can bunch this up and shove them in your shoes to hold the shape. Little tip there for you. Now, put my invoice to the side. I'd almost forgotten what I purchased, but now that I'm getting into it, it's starting to remind it. Okay, so now, first item. Let's start with this right here. This is lithium trim serum. Obviously, if you're in the car detailing industry and you're familiar with car detailing, you know Lithium. It's a brand out of the USA and it's called Lithium Auto Care, I believe. And so this is a product that a lot of people recommended, and I actually purchased this product because McKenna over at Lithium sent me something, which I've been reviewing and testing on my own, and that there's a bit of foreshadowing in here in terms of the next video coming out as well. Hint, it's not this. But I wanted to return the favor because they did send me a product for free, so I went and purchased something by them as well. And so far, Lithium is impressive in terms of what I've tried so far. So I can't wait to give this a try. Let's put that to the side. The next product here is, let's get the biggest one out. Now, this one I've wanted for a while, but it was sold out. So I was trying to get this one on Black Friday, but it's been sold out for a while. And it's the Ultra Air Blaster cleaning tool from the Rag Company. And basically, if you've seen any of the Rag Company's videos, this is out of a recent product line of theirs where they created a bunch of air tools. And it's like a Tornador without the bottle on the end. So what it does is you connect your compressor and it spins the air around and it's easier to clean interiors. And I guess you can use it on the outside of the car too. But unbox that and look at that. A little matte black finish. And for the price, I think I paid like $55 for this. Super high quality. Wow. The reason I got this is because I recently got a rigid compressor, and because I got the compressor, I wanted to get these tools. So it comes with a bunch of fittings, different sizes there for different use cases, and then you get this little cone brush thingy that you can apply or add onto the front of this thing instead of the one that it comes with. So put that to the side. I might make a separate review video about this product. But extremely excited to actually get an air compressor at home. So put that behind the Lithium for now. Next, we got a little bit more packaging. Like I said, super top notch with their packaging. They always want to make sure that nothing comes damaged. And as per usual, because I hit a certain threshold, I got a free little product. CarPro Inside, dedicated leather and car interior cleaner. I've used this before, phenomenal product. But they always give you a product like this, which is super awesome. Let's put that to the side as well. Just taking a sip of the beverage. Now, next. Now, a little bit more packaging. Last two products here. One of them is a little bundle, and in that bundle, we have some glass cutting pads. Different sizes. I got two of them that are the 5-inch, and I got two of them that are the 3-inch. And I've been driving my fiance's Honda Accord for the last 2 weeks or so, and the windshield on that car is so badly swirled. It just annoys the heck out of me when I drive it. So, like, you know what? I got to take care of that. And then if that wasn't a bit of foreshadowing, the next and last product here is CarPro's Seri glass glass polish, and this is something I've wanted for a long time. I want to see how this works with these polishing pads in comparison to just using a regular compound and a regular polishing pad on glass, which I've done before. It works okay, but let's see how this works. So super excited to use those. And now, last bit of foreshadowing before we open up the small box, which I should grab. So last bit of foreshadowing before we open up the smaller package here. The smaller package contains something, hint hint, that has to do with glass. So let's take a look and see what's all up in this box. Again, this one I didn't pay for. CARZILLA sent me this. I think the team over there is amazing. They've been sending me a lot of stuff recently, which I am extremely thankful for. Let's not slice my finger open here. Yeah, they've been sending me a decent amount of stuff, and I'm extremely appreciative of that. I'm slowly getting to making videos. Like, they sent me the whole Bola Solutions line that you see in the back, which in my testing so far has been awesome. Now here, again, packaged, amazing, like always. This is by far one of the most exciting packages I think I've ever received from CARZILLA, because one, I'm a huge fan of this brand, and I'm a huge fan of this product. It's been in the works for quite a while now. And so let's get with this one first here. CarPro D Quartz. Look at that. So it's the D Quartz Go Nano Diamond Quartz Fusion Coating. Check that out. Look at the packaging. Amazing. So CarPro obviously makes extremely effective detailing products. They're not the cheapest, but in my opinion, they work better than most. And their CarPro C Quartz UK 3.0 was one of the first ceramic coatings I've ever applied, and the one I fell in love with, and amazing product. I'm hoping this is better than that product, even though that's hard to do. But this is their new ceramic coating. It's the consumer version, that's why it says Go, but nano diamond infused quartz coating, so that'll be interesting. I'll be applying this, I think, on my Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's due for a ceramic coating, so I do have a week off next week, so I'm thinking I'm going to polish it out and then apply this product, and I'll try to make a video for you. But let me open this quickly. I've seen this product on CARZILLA's website, and it was showing us sold out because they hadn't received the stock of it yet. And I was looking at that product thinking I'm going to buy that as soon as it shows in stock. And then sure enough, I got it in my little order here from them, which is awesome. So usually CarPro sends you their little applicators, got a microfiber towel here, this little finger applicator, or not a microfiber towel, a little finger applicator, and then a block as well. And then we got some instructions, probably have a sticker in there, but mostly what I wanted to show you was the actual bottle of the coating itself. That is one sleek looking bottle. See if I can get to focus. Look at that. That I'm extremely excited to kind of get into. It's a 50 milliliter bottle, so this is easily going to cover my Grand Cherokee. Probably will have a little bit left over, but you can layer CarPro coating, so I'll try to get 2 layers on my Jeep with this. So let's put that to the side. And now the product that I was saying that there's foreshadowing going on here is right here. So check that out. So CarPro's in the same lineup, the G-Force High Clarity Super Durable Hydrophobic Glass Coating. So this is something that, again, I've been looking forward to trying out. I saw it on their website a little while ago, and I was like, oh, I gotta get my hands on this because I love coating glass and I love not using my wiper blades. So something like this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna apply this and the ceramic coating on my Jeep. So good thing I got the polish here, because that's going to help out a lot. But now we can put that to the side, and you can check out the entire haul here. By the way, this glass coating here, the G-Force, it's your base product. You're going to apply it to your windshield, and then to maintain it, they had this new CarPro product that came out as well, and it's called Clarify Phobic, and then they did a little cool thing there where they put H2O, so it's like hydrophobic. Yeah, cool. Anyways, so this combined with that, is going to make sure that you have hydrophobic glass for years to come, and I cannot wait to get this on my car. So let's put that to the side. But there you go. So that is the Christmas CARZILLA haul. Everything listed, or everything shown here, like I said, will be listed in the description below, so you can go check those out and then use my discount code CARDetailing5. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to do a deeper dive into any of these products, and I can do a review. Like I said, I'm already going to do one on these two products for sure. This kind of goes with those, but any of these other products that you see here that you want to see a review on, or anything in the back, there's a lot of stuff there that I haven't done already, let me know. I will be happy to make those reviews for you. With that being said, I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you want to watch my latest video, you can watch it right here. It's going to pop up on your screen. But with that being said, Merry Christmas to you that celebrate Christmas. And to the rest of you, Happy Holidays and Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next one.